虾仁 So the shell of the shrimp with the Longjing green tea, that's one of the traditional Hangzhou cuisine. And this one is Dongpo pork, which is more than 800 years old, the history Hangzhou dish. Created by Su Dongpo, our mayor at that time. Because he managed Hangzhou so well and organized more than 1,000 laborers, dredge the lake, use the mud from the lake and build the Sudi Causeway. And local people. Okay, thank you. Simple pork. Okay, what's next? Let's see.
Repeat the name of the mayor?
Dongpo pork.
No, the name of the mayor.
The Su Dongpo.
Su Dongpo.
Yeah. Mr. Su Dongpo.
这个是虎跑泉水牛肉。
Okay, so this is the Hu Pao spring with the beef. Yeah, some new design.
你会穿面包。
Okay.
这个菜应该是后烫了，等它变成了化了。
还好，这个空调开的。Yeah, that's like some new design with the bread with ice cream inside.
What's this called?
It's called 面包的诱惑。
面包的诱惑。
Yeah, 面包的诱惑。And there's a chicken feet. Mama, how's the fried rice? It's good?
Very good. Very, very good.
And how's the chicken? Little spicy, is that okay?
I like the fried rice.
Okay, 谢谢帅哥。
桂花烧猪蹄。
Wow. Oh, the view is good.